Hi there, I'm Laura with your Pilates tip of the week. When we're doing arm work in Pilates, whether it's on the reformer or with the tower, we always ask that the elbow not be straight on the mat, but that you hover a little bit. And even though it feels really good to anchor there, it tends to pull the shoulders forward. So in other words, if I've got a TheraBand coming from anywhere, or a spring, really I want the elbow to be at least in line with the shoulder so that I can do biceps nicely without disturbing that neutral shoulder position. If the elbows go onto the mat, it's going to push the shoulders into a little forward tilt. And you can try and counter that, but it's still going to add just strain and still keep it very forward in the socket. So keeping the elbows up, and if you tend to be someone who's a little bit rounded, who has maybe a head pad for support, then it's even a bit more dramatic. Then the elbow actually comes quite a ways behind the shoulder, and it can be quite straining for biceps here. So let the elbows float up, particularly if you get neck strain, and that'll put the shoulder blades and the arm shoulder joint in a lot better of a position to be able to take a lot of force and load without going into the neck. When we go and do these same things in an ab curl, it becomes even higher. The elbow's going to be higher to be in line with the shoulder, and lower to the mat is going to be really a forward strained position. Okay, so keep that in mind, particularly if you struggle with neck strain.